Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate bar-in-bar chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. Now, I'll pick up the order date from here and drop it into the filters. The next thing which I'll do is I'll select the years from here. Years, press next. I'll activate one of the years, that is 2021. Apply. Click OK. The next thing which I'll do is I'll pick up the sales and drop it into the rows. Then I'll pick up the order date from here and drop it into the color. Let us go here and edit the filter and activate one more date, that is 2020. Okay. Now go in analysis and in stack marks, off it. Again, pick up the order date from here and drop it into the size. From here, activate year. You can see bar in bar chart is ready. Now let us pick up one more dimension, that is segment, from here and drop it into the columns. Make this as an entire view. I can decrease the size of this bar from here. So here orange color represents our sales in 2020 and blue color represents our sales in 2021. Now let us pick up one more dimension, that is segment. Not segment, region. Here and drop it into the rows. So we can see that in central region for corporate segment, the sales in 2020 were higher than 2021, which was not good. If I want to represent the sales figure on this chart, then I'll pick up sales and drop it in the labels. So the sales figures are generated. Now let us remove region from here. And can I include one more chart, one more year in it? Okay, click on edit filter, 2019, apply, click OK. So the red color is for 2019, orange color is for 2020, and blue color is for 2021. So this is a way you can generate bar in bar chart using Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.